Hi children, good morning. How you all are? I hope you all might be fine. And today we are starting our new chapter, types of preposition, and today's date is 28/1/22. Last chapter also we have studied preposition. इसको आगे और study करेंगे. A preposition is a word that is used with a noun and pronoun and connect with the other words in the sentence. प्रीपोजिशन हमको पता है, नाउन और प्रोनाउन में हमको रिलेशनशिप बताता है और इसको दूसरे सेंटेंसेस या वर्ड्स के साथ में भी जोड़ता है. कीप द बुक ऑन द टेबल. आई स्टूड बिहाइंड मीता. आई हैव लेफ्ट माई वैलेट इन द कपबोर्ड. इट इज़ 2 PM बाय माई वॉच. नाउ टाइप ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन: प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस, प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ मोमेंट, प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम. Now preposition of place and moment. A preposition of place tells us where someone or something is. A preposition of moment tells us about the moment of someone or something. Let's learn about some commonly used preposition of place and moment. We use in to refer to the inside of a closed or an enclosed place. I lived in Mumbai for 10 years. Nana sat in the car. We use at to refer to a particular place. अगर हम किसी जगह की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हमको at लिखना है. I saw her at the bus stop. I met Neha at the party. Okay. Now we use on to refer the someone or something touching. On means ऊपर. On means ऊपर. Between means बीच में. Behind means पीछे. Besides means nearby. Under means नीचे. Front of means सामने. Below means नीचे. Above means ऊपर. Now see in this what we have to do. हमको लिखना है यहाँ पर में पर बस स्टॉप पर, then on ऊपर, between बीच में, पीछे, पास में, then अंडर नीचे, फ्रंट आगे, बिलो नीचे, अबोव ऊपर, ओवर ऊपर, अक्रॉस उस तरफ, टू मीन्स वी वेंट टू मार्केट. मार्केट गए. इनटू अंदर. देन थ्रू. मीन्स टॉकिंग अबाउट रिलेशन. टुवर्ड्स उस और. From, say. Okay, these are the meanings of all these words. Now see, fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Kirti is in the kitchen helping the parents. Satish is standing between Salim and Rohan. Deepak is standing near the window while Shweta is at the table doing her work. He is swimming in the river and will go across to the other side. Keep these apples on the table. Oranges under the basket. Oranges in the basket and packet of milk between the bread and eggs. The thief broke in through the window and went in the bedroom from the kitchen. Arjun is on a holiday. Will go towards the Red Sea at Egypt. She put some flowers in a vase, hung a poster on a wall, then went in the backyard. Okay. नाउ पोजीशन ऑफ टाइम, जब हम पोजीशन ऑफ टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं तो आप देखो यहाँ पर ऑन फ्राइडे, फ्राइडे को ऑन मेरे बर्थडे पर वी आर गोइंग टू शिमला डे इन मे। अभी मे का देखो यहाँ पे मंथ है, यहाँ पे ईयर है, यहाँ पे सीज़न है, यहाँ पे डे है और यहाँ पे टाइम है। इसी तरीके से यहाँ पर नाइट है तो एट नाइट, एट नून, एट मिडनाइट, एट 6 AM, एट सनसेट, एट द वीकेंड. We use since to talk about a specific point in time in the past and has its effect in the present. Since Wednesday, since 2003, for 12 years now, for 6 months, before to talk, before breakfast, before the break. Okay. We use to when we need to tell the time. हम to की बात करते हैं जब हमको टाइम बताना पड़ता है. It is a 11:45 now. It's only 10 days to my birthday. We use from to show the time when something start. किस समय से किस समय तक. We use to mean by not later than but or before a particular time. यहाँ पर भी हम टाइम की बात करते हैं. We use till or until. Till or until. कहाँ से कहाँ तक. Okay. Now see, we are starting our exercise B. Fill in the blanks with preposition. I have been living in Mumbai for 10 years, but Neeta has been living here since 2005. Ajay's cricket match is on Friday, but Rohan's is in May. I have been working on this project since Monday and will finish it by Sunday. He came here at 4 PM and can stay till 8 PM. These plants look beautiful in the summer but die out in autumn. I met Shalu at the mall for 2 hours yesterday. The shops in the market open in the morning and close at 9:30. I was born in 2004 on a Friday. Now see, fill in the blanks. My mother wanted me to clean my room by noon, so I worked for 2 hours and cleaned it. I will be back in Delhi by 30th June as my school reopens on 2nd July. This week he will work on Monday and Friday. I couldn't meet my grandparents in August and I will get to meet them now in December. Chirag was absent for 5 days and came to school on Monday. Divya met Susan on Friday. Some shops closed on Sunday afternoon but most remain open in the evening. Farhan arrived before me and waited for me till 5:30. Now see what you have to do in homework, children. You have to write exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. Okay, have a nice day, children. Bye bye. Till here you have to write. Take care.